Hey you guys, this is your girl Case, and I'm here with a tutorial. We're just doing a little dye-in on a Sunday. Gotta love it. But first I want to let you guys know that I use the Tangerine Right dye, and I put that into a bucket of very hot water, and I actually put in salt also. I put like a tablespoon of salt. So unfortunately, my Kanye shirt is getting a little dingy. That's what happens to white clothes, obviously. So we're just gonna dye it today. Backstory on this shirt, I ended up getting it at Goodwill in Los Angeles the first time I went thrifting. So it's held up for a really long time. So here's a few other things that I've already dyed. I just wanted to make this like a complete set. So I have some pants, I have some shorts, I have this shirt, and I also have this dope jacket. All of it has been dyed with the tangerine dye. This one is actually the one that I dyed the other day, and I wanted the dye to sit for about a day, and I wanted it to dry completely before I had washed it off. So now I'm rinsing everything off just to make sure all of the dye is out of my clothes.
Do with the money they don't ever give back. I'm not trying to brag or boast and say I'm better than most. I'm just saying we should have a toast and ride around on boats. I'm so sick of not living what I see when my eyes are closed, but still I just woke up this morning feeling like I wanna say it's a beautiful morning.
Okay, so don't judge, because I don't like things that have stingers. So you should probably always wear gloves when you're dyeing or bleaching something. I know my limits to my dye and my bleach, like what colors I'm going to use for gloves, but if I know it's going to come out really quickly, I usually don't, I don't make that a priority. So after you have gone ahead and dyed it, you need to go ahead, like I said, and rinse everything off. I usually rinse it off 3 times just to make sure all of the dye is out, and I stop when I notice there's no orange water falling from my garment. I will make sure that I have all of the details of everything that I bought in the description box below.
Woke up this morning feeling like
There you have it. Enjoy your dyeing. For more videos, make sure you guys stay tuned. Everybody have a good day.
I just wanna feel like I made it out. I just wanna feel like I made it out. If I know I tried, then I'll never say that I'm sorry. Tell me when we can relate.
Oh, you're still there. So, you're still there. You should go ahead and follow and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. I appreciate you.